Hi, my name is Jack. I'm here to do a review on the G915 TKL keyboard. Uh, this is the box that came in. Unfortunately, I did not do an unboxing video of it. Um, and I like this keyboard. I usually tend to go towards the black colored um, keyboards, but unfortunately, um, well, I got this from a giveaway thanks to Alyek. Um, where she did give away for two keyboards that she was given. She's now Logitech partner. Congrats for her. I'll put her like she's done a lot review videos. Probably can look at them and learn from them. I'll put her link, her YouTube link in the description below. Don't shout out for her for this gift. I got it after Christmas, but I think it was meant to be a Christmas present. Let's see, the giveaway was in December, not too long ago. So, yeah, so like I want to, like right now I'm using a laptop, so I don't have the best setup, because a laptop can only do so much, and I want to get a proper setup, whether it's for gaming or it's general or when I plan to get start streaming, I will get some more stuff other than the general basic stuff. So what? So I had a checklist on that. I need one thing I have already, second monitor, because yeah, I went to San Diego. I mean, that's only to go to take my laptop, so no second monitor is too big. And yeah, after having a second monitor, you cannot go back to for one monitor. If you're one monitor, be glad you if you like it, then be glad you don't have second monitor, because once you like yeah, they say like once you go here, you cannot go back. Same thing with the second monitor and third monitor and so on and so forth. So yeah, I need a second monitor because it helps a lot. And then another monitor for the stuff if you don't want to if you want to monitor something when you're doing something else, then it's good. So yeah, I want a second monitor, um, a mouse, which I have right now, but after 4 years, I got this Microsoft wireless mouse about 4 years ago. After 4 years, it yes, I mean, it's had times to fail, like it would disconnect or anything. 4 years is a lot for it to hold out. So um, I hope that this keyboard can last longer than the mouse, but still, it's 4 years a lot. So yeah, mouse I only get PC, which yeah, you need a PC because I can only upgrade this laptop for so much before I'll need something better. And I think right now I just want to focus on getting a PC. So then yeah, I want a PC and a keyboard. Now I got the mouse for now. Yeah, I want to upgrade it, but at least I have something. Um, and also a headset, which I also have. Unfortunately, it's like a bit clunky, a bit big, and at first it looked good. It's like a light on the sides and on the microphone, so it's good. It has some controls on the cord. So yeah, headset, mouse, PC, and a keyboard. Now I have a mouse, like I said. I have a headset. I want to upgrade both. At least I have something. And now keyboard. This keyboard is good, but like, uh, laptop keyboard you cannot just replace. If I mess up this keyboard, which I hope I don't, uh, I can replace it. Laptop keyboard. There are probably ways to replace keys, may fix it, but I don't want to go through all that. Um, so keyboard. Luckily, this one I have now an upgraded version. I have two keyboards, one wired, one wireless. The wireless I wanted to get because it was like the wireless and then Bluetooth and connected to not just my PC or laptop, but to like things like the TV. If I want to just sit back and want to go to the living room, just sit on the couch, and TV be too far away from her wireless reach, I can just use that wirelessly, and along with my wireless no mouse. Um, so yeah, but unfortunately it has caused problems. So looking at this one, no problems whatsoever because I've used it. If I want to go watch some YouTube videos and I search from there and just type it out and no problem. Or if I like a time when I just didn't really need to use my mouse, I use my keyboard. So yeah, I got this G915 TKL and so Ali, she was doing a giveaway because she got these two keyboards. One was black and one was white. Now I tend to lean towards the black color keyboards, just my thing. But because I was second winner, unfortunately I was not able to choose. So I got this white color keyboard, which she also has the exact same color, exact same model. And one thing when I got the laptop is one thing requirement I needed because I went through like laptops. Unfortunately, I could have spent more for a better laptop, but you know, living you learn. One requirement I needed, it had to have a backlight because whether I'm doing schoolwork or just in general, or I'm gaming in nights, maybe I'm playing a horror game. I'm not about to turn on my light just so I can see the keyboard. No, ruins the experience. And if I'm maybe recording this, my gameplay or a webcam, playing, maybe I'm streaming in the night, my audience would not really like that. So, need a backlight for late nights, or just like this one has. Well, one thing I had gotten I when I won this before it was arrived, and I installed a program called Logitech G Hub. I will put the link in the description as well. Um, it, it allows me to put profile on this, like for the backlight. When I turn it on, of course you cannot see it in daylight, but it's like it cycles through blue, red, green, and yellow. I think no yellow. Oh yeah, you can turn it on, turn it off, which is good. It comes with a battery, and if I want to clean it, just turn it off. Clean it. As a profile, you can put profiles other than just default. Oh yeah, like I said before, I can press this button right here, the Bluetooth, connect it to the TV, to the Fire Stick I have, and use keyboard. But yeah, when I have this connected to the computer, which I like that it has this very small adapter. Yeah, you can see it's very very small. Um, so it can be lost easily. Luckily, uh, right there, you can insert it right there. Because just like this mouse has uh, really smaller adapter, I can literally open the battery cover and insert right there, right next to the battery. I can insert right there and take it with me anywhere I go. Because some things, like when we start making small products, very easy to lose track of. Just one thing like that has somewhere to store it. So yeah, I connect to the keyboard. I connect the USB port, whichever it is, and I can have connect to the computer and use the program. I can put a profile. Like right now, uh, let's see. It takes a while to kick in. Oh, never mind. I can put the profile, which right now is same one that again Alyek has. She made this particular profile. It's like a blue, pink, another color, wavy color, which I like, because I remember I made plan to, I didn't know that she had a profile on there. I just put pink, wave, and oh, look at that, there she is. And I like it, and even if I don't, or maybe I want to switch to something, maybe like a red, blue, maybe just darker purple or something, with some other effects, I can go right back to the program, Logitech G Hub, look at profiles, and choose. Like there's so many people that made profiles that works for them, and maybe a different one, maybe profiles like, maybe someone would like this one. Maybe I don't really like it, but I can make it for someone else. So yeah, you can program and you can even make your own. So yeah, that's one thing. I had a gaming keyboard which had a backlight and had three different colors: red, blue, and green. After a while, I got kind of bored of one, so I switched to another one. And bored of that, I got to the other. But this has a less likely to need get bored of because it has different colors. It has waves. It's continuous cycle. So that's why I like that you can make a profile that you're not get bored of so easily. You unlike when you have some one single color. Even if I don't have a, um, a profile, default one, it cycles through the colors. So that's good. That it just cycles the colors by default. So that's one link that I like. They add a backlit, as I said, requirement. I mean, and everyone should have a backlit keyboard because you need it. So yeah, I like that. It has that. Yeah, also it has some other features that I'm not really sure what they do, unfortunately. But maybe I mean unless something really cool that I would like to use. I don't care. I mean it's not I don't have to have use of all the features in this keyboard. So as a like I said, as a the original, like the has connect to the keyboard. Uh, has Bluetooth. It has a gaming button, which is disable certain keys from being pressed. And of course, you can check it. You can. Oh, here you go. Sorry. So this is original. You can connect to computer, the Bluetooth, the gaming, which disables certain keys, and then it has this brightness. I guess it lowers the brightness so you don't want it too bright. Um, right here it has when you have the caps lock, it's like a white color. Let me try it. Sorry. Not sure you can see right there, white color on this caps lock. And the battery, I think, well, when you're charging it, it lights up. I think I'll have to look into it. But you can also look into it. A lot of things I've said this, and also has the media buttons on the on the left side, right side of the keyboard has media buttons: play, reverse, forward, mute, and also has this little wheel which go up and down. It changes the volume. That's what it does. So you can literally don't have to press any buttons, don't want to wear anything out. Because when you press button a lot of times, and when you're gaming, yeah, they have some things that you have to press a lot of buttons. Like press it like Metal Gear, Metal Gear Solid. There's one part of the game where you have to press a certain button to survive. So yeah, it can get worn out. Like you press a button so many times, but wheel doesn't wear out too much. So yeah, some other thing it has I like. So yeah, I like that. That's like I said, it's wireless keyboard. It has Bluetooth. That's just means it's wireless, and I like that. And the backlit, you can choose different profiles, media buttons. I think when I get a PC finally, which I don't know when it'll be. Kind of uncertain these times. Um, oh yeah, well, I can make it sound is the stand. It's this one bigger and it's a smaller one right here. And so you can put them up like I have noticed that I actually like when it's like a little lifted a keyboard. Like my laptop, I have a stand and it kind of lifts it up. So yeah, it's two stands, one small, one large or bigger. Um, yeah, so you're going to use that. Okay. So yeah, I think that's what I'm not really good at these videos, review videos. But I want to do this so if someone watches the video and thinks about wanting to get this keyboard, I'm telling you what I like. I like the backlit, I like the Bluetooth, I like the fact that it has a profile, and the bottom wheel, and the media buttons if I want to watch a movie. Just sit back and just hit those keyboard keys onto like set up and then like, hit the key. You just sit back, hit this key, and or if I still have a laptop, try to use it. I can just, if I'm not using the mouse, great, I can sit back and use the keys. If I'm maybe watching a movie and I just want to chat with people, I can still chat, just use the keyboard. So that's good. Um, so yeah, and also the compartment for where you plug this little baby in. Sorry, the G915 TKL adapter. I'm sorry, that's probably name for it. I just went blank. So you can put that in. Jeez, I have trouble putting USB things in. Yeah, that has that. Like just like this mouse, it has a little command to put the adapter in, which I like. So just small things like that. Trust me, I've lost flash drives containing maybe not like not in the world for me if I lose that, but yeah, it really hurts. So having somewhere to store it is great. So yeah, I can use that for general use. I can use this for general use. I can use this for entertainment, watch a movie, or I can just make for gaming. I mean, it, since I've used this laptop for 4 years, I got so used to, um, using the flat kind of surface keyboard. Even though I've used this type of keyboard before, and I grew up using keyboards like this, I didn't always have a laptop. I don't think me or my brothers have ever owned a laptop up until, well, around the time I got mine. My brother had one, and my other brother, he recently got one. So yeah, we grew up on this kind of keyboards, so I don't have to get used to it again. And yeah, I mean, one thing, I mean, it's great looking keyboard, but when you buy something like bright colored, dirt can be easily seen. Now, on one hand, it's a good thing, so you can see it. Yeah, boom. On the other hand, you see it. If I had a black colored keyboard, don't really see it. Maybe one day just start clean it. Oh, look at that. It's freaking dirty. But I didn't see it. But yeah, so I have to really look out for this. You know. So yeah, this is my review for this keyboard. I really love this. It has a lot of things I want. I guess I can get used to not having the numpad, the 10 keys that has on the right side. Um, yeah, so it's a great keyboard. If you want to get a small compact keyboard that doesn't have the numpad, it has a lot of good features, and you can get it at white color, you can get black color. I think there's only two colors they have. But yeah, like I said, the G915 TKL. I want like one thing I want to say is one thing, Ellie and Logitech. Ellie for doing the giveaway, and apparently I won. And no, and Logitech for sending those keywords because I wasn't the only one that won the keyword. It was someone else won the keyword, and so yeah, I want to thank both of you. And maybe I'll get more Logitech products based on this. I would get another Logitech product. Maybe it's a mouse, maybe it's a headset. I know I've seen a few Logitech mouses that look good. One owned by Ellie. She gets a few Logitech products, so she shows them off so people can think, oh, looks great, and she's literally testing it on her streams. So yeah, I'll probably get a Logitech mouse. I have said I know one owned by Eddie. It looks great, and other people have also used that team. So maybe I'll get that. Unfortunately, I don't have the names top of my head. Let me check. So yeah, the Logitech G733 headset. That's what I'm looking at to get in. Based on this, I can only say that I'll enjoy the headset or the mouse or maybe a webcam for when I start streaming because it looks so great and I know it will last for a long time. Well, I guess depending on the person, it may last a long time, and in that short time, just have to go to the test of that specific person. So yeah, um, So yeah, yeah, like I said, take Ellie and not take for this keyboard. I love it, and it actually came out around but it was in December, so it was supposed to be a Christmas present, but unfortunately, it just the whole COVID and holidays it arrived until this year. You know, after the New Year, it arrived, I think. But whenever I got it, I love it. I know when I get a PC finally, um, since I know like how much it will cost to get a PC roughly. So I know when I get that, I'll have a keyboard ready. I have a mouse ready, and though probably I'll have to upgrade this one, maybe get a Logitech or just some other brand new mouse. Um, you know, I have I have most of it ready for when I get a PC, and thanks to this keyboard. Because before I didn't have a keyboard, so I didn't have proper setup. Now I do. So thank you for that. So if you want to get a combat, like I said, if you want to get a combat keyboard, looks great, has many good features, the key profile, the media buttons, the volume wheel, and the fact that you can use it for Bluetooth so easily. You can just press the button and then connect it and to wherever you want to do. And the compartment to sort of adapter. And I'll also, yeah, like I said, I'll put the Logitech G Hub link in the description below. So thank you for watching this review video. I'll probably get better at this, maybe not ramble on so much, not repeat many things over and over. But, but thank you for watching this, and hopefully you like it. Maybe you want to get this keyboard for yourself, or maybe for someone else. You can show them this video, and like maybe beforehand, you want to show them this keyboard, and maybe they may not like it, or just give them a surprise. Just So thank you.